Don't even think about it. Croatia, it's beautiful, stunning coastlines, water so clear you can see your reflection. And tourists. Tourists everywhere. 20.6 million tourists stormed into Croatia in 2023, which is almost like Croatia's population, times 5. Germany led the pack in tourist domination, with millions of Germans bringing their beach towels, because you know they got there first, followed by Croatians who apparently also like visiting their own country. Can't blame them. It's stunning. Slovenia, Austria, and Poland weren't far behind, possibly bribed by the smell of grilled fish. Istria was the favorite hotspot, clocking in 30 million overnight stays. Split Dalmatia followed with 20.2 million, and Kvarner with 18.5 million. Seems like everyone wanted to cuddle up with the same piece of Adriatic coastline. And the real kicker? Croatia made a cool 14.6 billion euros from all these visitors. You'd think they were charging admission to the sunset views. In conclusion, Croatia, come for the views, stay for the 10 euros ice cream cones. Listen, before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more travel insights. And to all my Croatian friends watching, please don't crucify me in the comments. I'm only joking about the prices. I know the views alone are worth every kuna. Plus, if things get too heated, I promise to buy you all a 10 euros ice cream to make it better. Listen, I get it. You're a huge fan of Game of Thrones. Game of Thrones was undeniably cool. And yes, Dubrovnik was a major filming location. Now you feel compelled to walk those ancient city walls just like your favorite characters did. But guess what? So does everyone else. And that line you see, that's the line for overpriced water because, let's face it, you forgot to bring your own. Rookie mistake. You see, the problem isn't Croatia. It's a beautiful country with so much to offer. The problem is, well, it's you. Tourists. You create demand. Demand increases prices. Economics 101, people. When everyone flocks to the same spots, it drives up costs and crowds. So maybe next time, explore beyond the obvious. Discover the hidden gems. Croatia has plenty of them, waiting for you to find. And who knows? You might just enjoy it even more. Now don't get your travel pants in a twist. Croatian hotel prices in 2023? Oh, let's just say you might need to mortgage your house for a sea view room. Average hotel room prices soared by about 10% to 15% compared to last year. It's almost like they're charging you by the square inch of beach you can see from your window. In Dubrovnik, where even the pigeons are probably staying in luxury, hotel prices have reached as high as 250 euros to 300 euros per night during peak season. Why? Because you're paying to walk in the same footsteps as your favorite Game of Thrones characters. Winter isn't coming, but your credit card bill sure is. But hey, it's not all bad. There are still bargains to be had. You can snag a room in Split or Zadar for a mere 150 euros to 200 euros per night. If you're lucky, they might even throw in free Wi-Fi, or charge you extra for it, depending on the mood of the day. So yeah, Croatia, great for the views, maybe a little rough on the wallet, but you can always camp on the beach, right? Just kidding, the seagulls would probably charge you rent. Listen, help a country out. Don't visit Croatia. Seriously, Croatia is amazing. Breathtaking even, but you know what's even more breathtaking? Empty beaches, quiet cafes, affordable prices, so please do us all a favor. Stay away. Let Croatia be Croatia again, for the good of humanity. See what I did there? Reverse psychology? Because deep down you know you want to go even more now, right? Let's talk Croatia versus some of the big dogs in European tourism when it comes to prices, because let's be honest, your wallet is about to go on vacation too. Croatia versus France, Paris. So you're thinking of visiting Dubrovnik instead of Paris to save a little. Good call. In Paris, hotel prices can hit over 400 euros a night during peak season. And that's if you don't mind your room being the size of a broom closet with a window overlooking the neighbor's laundry. Meanwhile, Dubrovnik's prices, hovering around 250, 300 euros, at least come with a side of stunning Adriatic views, and probably fewer pigeons in berets. Croatia versus Italy, Venice. In Venice, you could pay Euro 250-400 per night just to experience the charm of rising water levels outside your hotel. Meanwhile, Croatia offers the same Mediterranean vibes, but with less risk of your shoes becoming submarines. Oh, and in Dubrovnik, you'll be paying slightly less for the same amount of pasta. You might even afford a gondola ride equivalent, renting a kayak. Croatia versus Spain, Barcelona. In Barcelona, you can get a decent room for around Euro 200-300 a night, but add in the sangria, tapas, and the pickpockets, and your budget is toast. In Croatia, for around the same price, you can sip your wine by the Adriatic without worrying about your wallet being swiped. Though, to be fair, you might still feel pickpocketed when you get the bill for a beachside coffee. Basically, when compared to Europe's most expensive tourist traps, Croatia is still a bit cheaper, but don't get too comfy. If you keep telling everyone how affordable it is, soon enough you'll be paying Paris prices for split sunsets. Okay, fine. You want to talk overpriced? Let's talk. Look, let's be real. The concept of something being overpriced is subjective and varies from person to person. Is Croatia more expensive than it was 10 years ago? Absolutely, it is. Sure. Is that because it's suddenly overflowing with tourists who love stunning scenery and ancient history? Without a doubt. Absolutely. But here's the thing. Overpriced is relative. What might seem expensive to one person could be a bargain to another. A $10 beer on a Croatian island might seem outrageous to some, but that same beer in a fancy Manhattan hotel? Now that's a different story. You'd be lucky to get away with paying twice that. So when we talk about prices, we need to consider the context, the location, and the experience. Croatia offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and vibrant culture. And sometimes that experience is worth the price. So, next time you think something is overpriced, ask yourself, what am I really paying for? The answer might surprise you. So, is Croatia overpriced? It's a trap. The truth? Croatia is like a choose-your-own-adventure book, price-wise. You can tailor your experience based on your budget and preferences. You can blow your budget on 5-star hotels and Michelin-starred meals. Imagine staying in a luxurious hotel in Dubrovnik, dining at the finest restaurants, and indulging in gourmet food. Or you can find charming guest houses, cozy bed and breakfasts that offer a more intimate and affordable experience. These places often provide a unique charm and a chance to connect with locals. You can also save money by cooking some of your own meals. Visit local markets, buy fresh produce, and enjoy the flavors of Croatia in your own way, and explore hidden gems without breaking the bank. Croatia is full of beautiful, lesser-known spots that are just waiting to be discovered. So is Croatia overpriced? That, my friend, depends entirely on you. Choose wisely. Your experience in Croatia can be as extravagant or as budget-friendly as you make it. And please, for the love of all that is holy, pack your own water bottle. Not only will it save you money, but it's also better for the environment. Happy travels! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and ring the bell for notifications. See you in the next adventure.